Hello guys. In today's video I am going to show you some must-have home gadgets which you must buy to make your life easier. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So guys, our first product is this mini sponge mop in which you have to wet its sponge in water and then clean wherever you want to clean. And then after cleaning, when we pull it towards the back with the hook given in the middle, this sponge shrinks inwards, due to which all the water collected in this sponge gets squeezed out automatically. And by using this we can clean kitchen, slab, wash basin, mirror, TV, etc. So let's move to our next product, which is this door handle, and personally speaking, I found this product very amazing. Because if there are any such drawers in your house that do not have a handle, and if you face problem opening the drawers without the handle, then you do not need to do holes in the drawers for that. You just need to buy these self-adhesive door handles. First remove its tape and stick it on your drawer, on the fridge, or anywhere else once. And it sticks very strongly, and with the help of this you can open any drawers easily. And our next product is this sink strainer basket, in which you just have to hang over the tap and whatever garbage comes in the plate or bowl while washing utensils. Put it directly in this basket, so the garbage will remain in the basket and the water will flow down from it, and the garbage will not go directly in the sink. And the sink will not get blocked and water will not fill in the sink. And when your utensils are washed, take out this basket and press the button made on the side. This basket will open from below and all your garbage will fall inside the garbage bin. This is a collapsible container which collapses and becomes smaller, and when you need to fill water in it, you can expand it. And it has tap in the front from where water flows out, and you can use it while traveling. It will not take up space in your bag. This is makeup storage box in which you can put your lipstick, foundation, serum, sunscreen, moisturizer, etc. And to use it, just press it from the top and it will come upwards. And our next product is this sunglasses storage box, in which you can put 5 sunglasses at same time, and this product is best for traveling because while traveling everyone doesn't need to carry separate sunglasses. Rather, everyone can keep their glasses in one place in this storage box. Your glasses won't be lost and you can keep not only sunglasses in it but also your eyeglasses. And our next product is this mini lint remover. By rubbing this on your clothes you can remove animal fur, hair, etc. from your clothes, and because this lint remover comes in small size, that's why you can easily carry even in your small bag. And our next product is this multipurpose vegetable strainer basket. You can use it in many ways, like as a vegetable strainer, fruit basket, and you can steam veggies, meat and baby food as well. To use it, just put it in the pen and open it from side and put any food in it. And our next product is this cat and dog side bed. Hang it on the side of your bed, and this bed is very comfortable and cozy for your pets. And it is very strong. It won't fall easily. And our next product are these wall hooks, for which you do not need to make any hole in the walls of your house. You just have to stick them on the wall because these are self-adhesive and it won't fall easy. So guys, if you like my today's video, give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get my latest videos notification. Till then, take care. See you in the next video.